my name is Vincent and welcome to my channel. Today my topic is issues in computing. So the first issue is slow system performance. To resolve this issue, use Task Manager or Windows or Activity Monitor and MacBook to identify and close resource-intensive processes. Clean up the system using tools like CCleaner to remove junk files and disable unnecessary startup programs. Upgrade hardware such as replacing HDDs with SSDs for faster storage or increasing RAM for better multitasking. Number 2. Frequent software crashes. And to resolve this issue is we enable crash logs and use debugging tools, for example Visual Audio, WinDBG, to identify the cause of the issue. Another is update or install software and ensure all required frameworks, drivers, or libraries are current. Run unstable or older software in virtual environments, for example VirtualBox or Docker, to isolate it from your primary system. And the last but not the least issue is internet connectivity issues. To resolve this issue is we diagnose issues using network commands like ping or tracer to identify connectivity bottlenecks. Change to a reliable DNS provider like Google DNS or Cloudflare for faster and more stable connections. Another is configure your router's quality of service, also known as QoS, settings to prioritize bandwidth for critical devices or applications, and update router firmware if necessary. That's all, and thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.